Why is it said that owning 100 Cardano is way more than you think? Have you already bought a Cardano token? If yes, then watch this video to find out how the following features I will share in this video will impact Cardano's price to skyrocket soon. If not, you should make sure to watch this video as much to gain profits passively as soon as possible. The crypto market is going through a suffocating bear run right now, and Cardano is no exception. However, altcoin appears to be overcoming its slowdown effects and has begun to rise again. Nonetheless, there are a few more positive developments. Further, in recent days, Bitcoin has pulled the market upwards as it bounces off its low price range. With this, a fresh start for ADA could mean shattering its blues and regaining its footing. Further, according to some analysts, we may see Cardano among the top performers this 2022 and in the coming years. Meanwhile, the market has been trending upwards for the final days of December, so ADA could begin to move forward. Then, if you're already an investor in Cardano, you're one of the smart ADA investors because it is said that owning 100 Cardano is a lot more than you think. By the way, how much Cardano do you own? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Lastly, be sure to watch the entire video because we'll cover all aspects of the crypto coin in detail and tell you why investors are still bullish about ADA. It is no secret that cryptocurrency prices have been falling for quite some time. Then in the first week of January, Cardano has been on a downward trend, but it's now hovering in a flat trend for the past few days. Moreover, it is hovering below the 1.30 mark, which has slipped it into the 7th position in terms of market capitalization. In terms of its price performance, Cardano is currently going through some rough times. However, things seem to be improving for the altcoin. Meanwhile, the price predictions of wallet investors indicate ADA is a good investment. Furthermore, Wallet Investor predicts that by October of 2022, the ADA coin value will rocket to $4.52. They also believe that the price of ADA will continue to increase from a minimum of $3.60 to a maximum of $4.564 of a dollar by 2024. Apart from this, Trading Beast also predicted that Cardano seems to be heading in the right and positive direction. Further, according to the forecast, the coin price will fluctuate between $1.50 and $2 through 2022. Following this, the price will continue to rise in subsequent years, reaching $2.50 by 2023. In addition, Trading Beast predicted that 2024 will be a very profitable year for Cardano. In fact, they believe that the coin could hit the $5 mark soon. As if adding to the momentum surrounding ADA, company founder Charles Hoskinson has expressed his belief that blockchains like the one he is developing will become as ubiquitous as the internet and will be used by billions in the future. Moreover, it seems that it will take decades to determine what form of adoption he wrote. In the meantime, the development team is slowly pushing out new upgrades instead of following the latest hype. So this level of adoption will take between years and decades, not weeks or months, and it won't happen overnight. And the long game comes into play here. Furthermore, it seems that it's worth noting that Cardano's approach has been producing results. So do you know why owning 100 Cardano is much more than you think? It has been reported that the number of active addresses on its network quadrupled between October and November, with on-chain activity picking up and transaction fees dropping from 45 cents to 38 cents. Recent Crypto Compare's asset report reported that in October there were 50,506 active addresses on the Cardano blockchain, which in November was 216,672. In the same way, Cardano's ADA staking network has grown to encompass 1 million addresses. During the downturn, which lost over $400 billion in market cap, the cryptocurrency market experienced a downturn. Furthermore, the network reached a milestone last December after processing 20 million transactions. As a result, ADA prices may be affected positively. In addition, the price forecast indicates things will ramp up significantly in the coming months. Additionally, according to the outlook, ADA will reach a price of $3.12 by early 2022. A report from the Economy Forecast Agency predicts that by October 2022, the coin's value will increase to $3.47. In addition to this, based on GovCapital's forecast for October 2022, there is is a $3.20 price target, which could make it an interesting investment possibility. Moreover, the price predictions indicate that you will need at least 100 worth of Cardano before you become wealthy soon. Furthermore, the future certainly looks bright for ADA, and the team at ADA Swap, an ecosystem that supports decentralized finance protocols on Cardano, has begun exploring the potential of DJED. The DJED stablecoin is based on the Cardano algorithm and is based on the CODI network. Also, according to a press release, CODI is partnering with ADA Swap. Therefore, CODI is an ecosystem that aims to create the first decentralized exchange on the Cardano network to explore how it can be integrated with the ADA Swap DEX. By integrating ADA Swaps and this integration, ADA Swap users will experience an enhanced trading experience and will be able to adjust and prioritize investment strategies more effectively. Accordingly, it is said that you need at least 100 Cardano to become wealthy. But why is this so? Stay tuned for further details. Meanwhile, Lenin Qualman, CEO of ADA Swap, further stated that this collaboration marks an important milestone for the CODI network and the broader ecosystem of Cardano-based protocols. According to him, a believer in Cardano's potential, seeing CODI's involvement shows the potential for the Cardano ecosystem being created by innovative participation. Through its AI-powered smart contracts, CODI operates DJED through a mechanism called a trust chain. Following the integration of DJED by ADA Swap, an incentive-based program will be launched by the company. Furthermore, ADA Swap clients will then be eligible to receive rewards distributions for providing liquidity to all of DJED's pairs. Moreover, it is no secret that since the announcement of smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain in September, the blockchain has grown in popularity, and numerous partnerships and initiatives have been announced in an attempt to increase the network's usability since then. And it appears that Cardano's move paid off as the total number of circulating supply hit an all-time high in December 2021. So it would take 100 Cardano to get rich, but that's beyond the point. Recently, Cardano saw a total number of ADA stakes on its network reach a high of 73.15%. Considering the number of coins staked on its direct competitors, that is an impressive figure. And according to December's figures, the network held 23.9 billion ADA stakes across 921.323 delegates. There are only 33.26 billion circulating ADA coins, which means that only 10 billion are not staked. Further, these numbers represent the increasing confidence in the project's future. It is interesting to note that Cardano's staking network does not lock up the coins. For ADA holders, unlike Ethereum, they can still utilize their state's coins to sell if they choose. Despite this, a significant portion of its community has chosen to stake its future on the project. On the next update of Cardano, the development team is working on dataless technology. As a result of Cardano's ecosystem's new partnerships, ADA's utility is likely to rise. Further, developers are preparing to release version 4.4.0 of Cardano. The app also provides a facility for disabling Cardano hardware wallets and an integration with Cardano nodes. In recent partnerships, Cardano has worked to make finance more accessible for emerging economies. Through its partnership with Oasis Pro, the network supports governments in raising money from inward remittances for infrastructure projects. In combination with Cardano's partnership, the ADA token's utility is likely to increase, and also the altcoin's real-world use cases will be expanded. Moreover, Nervos Network, a blockchain platform, announced that the bridge connecting assets on its blockchain to Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks has now been launched. Using the Force Bridge, assets on Nervos can be exchanged across different blockchains, enhancing accessibility. Cardano's future looks pretty bright for the altcoin, and before it skyrockets in price, you will need at least 100 of Cardano now because passively, this could turn into great profits in the long run. Cardano has the distinction of staking the largest portion of its circulating supply and has not given up this top spot yet. Further, the community at Cardano is home to investors who invest for the long term rather than attempting to make short-term gains on the market. Thus, the majority of investors have their coins staked on the platform as a form of validation through its proof-of-stake system. Additionally, a significant increase in the number of investors could bring ADA's year-end figures to a very decent level, especially since they are focusing on building a robust user base. With this, owning 100 Cardano is way more than you think. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.